可以了哈，可以开始了。Hello, good morning, everyone. This is HF Security live show. This is Jane.
Yeah, welcome to watch our live show today. I saw some of clients watching our live show for a long time, but there are some newcomers. Yeah, we actually Security is China's biometric manufacturer for 16 years. Yes, and we focus on face recognition or fingerprint recognition, time attendance, and access control. Yeah, if you have an interest and or want more information about our product or about our company, just click our website 3w.hftech.com, and also you can scan our barcode here and can subscribe our YouTube account.
Yes, please subscribe our YouTube channel. After you subscribe, you can get more information of our company and also our product. And here we are in Tongjing headquarters, and our branch and factory in Shenzhen. Welcome to visit us, our company HQ and our factory in Shenzhen.
Yes, welcome. Yeah, welcome to visit us in headquarters or Shenzhen factories. And also, you can attention to our live show every week from Tuesday to Friday. Yeah, from China time 9:13 a.m. to 15 p.m. So do not miss out the time. And just watch you and please note your watch and set your watch and timely to watch our live show on YouTube. Okay. Today we just want to recommend you our fingerprint model. Yeah, from the previous live show, we show mainly face recognition models. But today we will recommend you our fingerprint time attendance tablet.
This is our 8-inch fingerprint tablet.
Yes, this model name is FP08. It's 8-inch. Yeah, it's 8-inch. This is its size. Yeah. So today we will introduce 3 parts of our live show. It's about our hardware and also its software and also its successful cases.
Yeah. Our applications this device can use.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So you can see this model FP08. Yes. It's 8-inch. The size is 8-inch. And you can see it's a touch screen. Yes, 8-inch touch screen.
Yes.
And also you can see here, yeah, it's screen. Yeah. You can see on the screen there are many apps. Yeah, because our model is Android system, so you can download Android apps on the device. Yes.
This is Android 9 version. It is very high Android system. Yes. You can integrate with your Android system. It's very
very high version.
Yes, right.
It's 9.0 Android system, very high version.
And also you can see CPU is 2G HD, and it is CUDA core. The version is very high. With this version, the speed is very fast for your operation when you use this device. And also you can see this device including the fingerprint part and the card recognition function. You can use fingerprint and card for the verification when you use this device. And also this fingerprint is from the Crossmatch brand, TCS1. TCS1 sensor. You can see here is a fingerprint sensor. And also this is a fingerprint card part. As a standard is ISO standard 14443 standard. You can use at your side like your national ID card, like employees ID card. You can use this card for the recognition when you use this device.
Yes, this part is a fingerprint sensor, and this part is an NFC card. It's NFC card, and yeah, this sensor's brand is TCS1. Yeah, TCS1 fingerprint, and its standard is ANSI and ISO. ANSI and ISO standard, and this NFC card is as ISO 14443. Yeah, 1443 type, and they support type A and type B. And you can see the site. Okay, you can see the site. Here is the power button. Yeah, power button. And here is the value button. And this part, if you want to increase the value, you can press here. And if you want to decrease the value, you can press here. And here you can see this model supports same card. And here is a SIM card slot.
Oh, this needed to use a screw. This we don't take the screw. So when you need to insert the SIM card, you need to screw out this and put the SIM card in this place. Also, can the card how to say the external card for the device memory to enlarge your memory to store more information and more app in this device.
Yes, this part is SIM card, and this card is TF SD card. And you can see here this part, the bottle. Yeah, just open this, and you can see there is micro USB. Yeah, actually this model is our older version. Yeah, older version, but
previous version.
Yes.
Now our updated version is Type C USB.
Yes.
This is more convenient and no need to how to say plug. Because we have some customers feedback, the micro USB sometimes broken. The interface is easy to broken, so we change this part to Type C USB. It is easy to collect to plug the USB to collect with a power or with a computer when you development or the integration. Also, here is a DC charger. DC charger is to supply the power for this device.
Yes. Here is the DC charger. It's 3.7 voltage, and here is this older version is the micro USB, but our new version, Android 9.0 system. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, it's a micro USB, and our new version is Type C.
Yes, this device also the 4G network. This is very this is very high network when you use when somewhere this device can support the network for you. When outside can use this device. Also, this device is portable. You can take to anywhere you want, like outside the construction and somewhere you want. Also, they have the big battery, 3,000 AMH, very big, battery.
Yeah, it's non-standby
Yes.
battery. It's 8,000 milliampere. And also, this model supports wireless communication like Wi-Fi, GPRS, and 4G. Yeah, and also it's for SIM card. Yeah, SIM card. Okay. Next part, we will show you one demo to use the FP demo.
Yes, RFP demo for the testing to show how the device works.
Yes.
Okay, first we can open our IP demo. You can hear the green one.
Here's FP demo.
Okay, open the device. Open the device. Because when you use this device, you need to open the device to initiate the fingerprint sensor. So first need to open the device.
Yes, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts here. And the first step is open device. Yeah, open device. Open device. Yeah, you can see here is the open device. Okay. And then you can enroll your fingerprints for 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then match.
Yeah, you can see the screen is this arrow template. Okay, and then you capture your fingerprint 1 time. Yeah, you can see the screen is match okay.
Match is okay.
Yeah, match is okay.
We can do test.
Yeah,
one more time.
Okay, we do one more time. We will just cancel the device, and then we open device here. Okay, and enroll fingerprint for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see, yeah, arrow template okay. And then capture fingerprint 1 time. And now you can see it's match okay. It's match okay. Okay. Yeah, this model is really easy to operate and to match your fingerprint. Actually, this is our one demo, and we will provide SDK for our clients to integrate or develop your own application like HR or a payments application like and other systems.
Yes. And also this device package like this. This is a one device package, one device with one package like this.
Yes.
When you open the device with this bag to cover on the device to protect the device when the delivery. And also here is a charger, USB charger to supply the power for this device. And here is a plug. You can choose the version, UK version and EU version or US version to supply the plug, supply the power for this device. You can choose. And one carton is including 10 pieces.
Yes, and actually, if you want to customize its package, yeah, you can order more, and we will provide free package customization about this model. Okay, this is about this hardware, and you can see this hardware is back. It's very rugged and waterproof.
Yes.
Waterproof, and its IP is 16.5. IP is 16.5, and you can also customize the case for this model. You just cover to protect this model.
As your requirements, we can do the OEM and the ODM. Like we can put your logo on this device. Also, we can supply the ODM. Like you need to change the fingerprint part, like a Superma fingerprint sensor, like the
IB.
Yes,
Yeah.
IB crumble
Yeah.
fingerprint sensor. We can we can do the customization for you if you need this tablet need a different fingerprint sensor. We can do the customizing for you.
Yes.
The fingerprint sensor is FAP10.
Yes.
Others are with
Others like FAP 20 or FAP 13 or FP 15. We can customize for you. We also have some other versions like we already do the OEM for our customers, like FAP FAP 15 and the FAP 13. It is for the customizing for our customers because with a different project, different requirements.
Yes, actually for FAP 10, FAP 20, 13, 14, 15, it's about the sensor size. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want larger sensor size, yeah, you can send your customization requirement to us. We will provide OEM or ODM. And look at the back. Here is also serial number. Yeah, yes, actually this serial number is very is also very important because after you bought one sample or you order in back quantity, if you want after sales technical support, or there's something wrong, you can return the matter to us, and we will we'll check it. So we need to also check this serial number. Yeah.
Yes, this is serial number also can how to say remark when you send it to your customers. You can how to say you can trace this device. So which customers you send it to remark for your site. Also, when you need to the after service or support, you can send us the service number to us. We can check how is the device working and supply the after service and the support very quickly to you.
Yes, actually, you have any question, you can contact us. Yeah, really. Yeah, so if you want more information about this hardware, if you want to customize its appearance or its cover, you can subscribe our YouTube account and contact us, colleague or Jan and Summer here.
Yes.
Yes. This part is so much for this hardware, and the next part we will introduce is software. And actually, this model also supports cloud solution. Yeah, we will provide the SDK for you to develop, and also we will provide the web software. Yeah, web software. Yeah.
Like the cloud software.
Yes.
One part is SDK. If you needed to do the further development or integration, we will supply the SDK to you. Then you can do that part. If you don't want to develop the software, we also can supply the software for you. Like we already developed one cloud-based software. Here we will show you the app, also the software part on the PC you can manage.
Yes. Actually, for web software, you can remote manage many branch offices
like
in the head offices.
Yeah,
right?
like the central management.
Yes, it's really good for you. And now I will show you its web software. Okay.
Firstly, we will show you the app, the Android app we already developed. Here you can see. Here you can see HF Security app. You can see. Here is the screen show our HF Security brand, and here you can sign on with fingerprint or a card. Here we show you the demo. We need to go to the setting first. Let me check. Okay, you can see we here in this screen for the login for this app. The account is admin and the password is 1010 login. Here you can see, here is the menu like user information, data upload and download. And the system setting, you can check the system setting, you can set for the system. And here is about the device. And here is a card number, you can check. And also here is a file to upload to the device. And here is system mobile number for this device. And here is to set your own app URL link. Here we can see here is user information. Here you can see we already enrolled some users in this device. And here you can enroll the fingerprint. Also this device with camera. Also you can use this device to enroll the face, like face recognition, and the fingerprint can enroll this device. Because this device have the two mega on the front. You can see the camera.
Yeah.
2 mega, and also the back side is 13 megas for this camera. It's very big and higher camera. You can use the camera to do the face recognition. And here you can see we can enroll the ID because we didn't we didn't open our the software part. So now we only can see this part to show you this demo app how it's like and how it works. First, you need to enroll the ID and the name and the fingerprint, and you can log in when you use our software. One device for one license, and this software is our software. One device for one license, and this software can manage multiple devices when you do the the central management. And here you also can see. Here you can see here is login to this cloud-based software. And also you can see here is software part. Here is the dashboard. You can do the management for your employees or for the management.
And later we will send you the web software operation video. Yeah, and you can also check the video, the demo video of operating our web software on YouTube.
Here you can see here we already in the software we already register some users in the software. You can see here is for the management part for the employees or for the users on the software part. And you can see. And you can see here, is that clear? Can you see it? Okay. here is a dashboard. You can click the home page to check the device management or the employee or the users management. You can do on the web on the cloud software on this here, and to do the management for this device, for the multiple device. And also, if because now we didn't collect with software, so we just show you some screenshots to know more about our cloud-based software. If you need more information about our software, you can check our YouTube link to get more information for this software. And also, you can contact our colleagues or the person you contacted. You can get more information and some links from them to get more information about our cloud-based software.
Yes, actually, our software demo video you can also check on YouTube. We also will send you the link later. Yeah, and you can know much about our software, web software. Yeah, that's just all of the web software of our this model. And
Yes.
yeah.
Oh. Also, this device you also can how to say the development for the app, like you can do the some customers use this device for the school. You can develop the app for the SM function when the students in school for check-in and check-out. The device will send the message to your phone, and you can notice your children or your kids in this school and check in and check out.
Yes, as we introduced, there's a SIM card stored, so this model can support SMS function, and also you can use this model to call or send messages.
Yes.
It's very much function. And okay, let's move to the next part about this model, successful cases. Yeah. Now maybe some clients will ask some question about this model application. Yeah, actually we have made many successful cases about this model, like widely applied in hospitals or
university and banks.
Yes.
And some
School,
schools.
Yeah, and restaurant or supermarket. Yes, and many places will use it. And okay, and I will introduce one case about the refugee allowance. Applied in African country. Yeah, you must know in some African countries, some poor people will receive allowance from government agency. So the government agency officials will use our model to register the fingerprints of refugees or other poor people. And after they register their fingerprint and will save the fingerprint data to their national database.
Yeah.
And next time when they come to government agency to receive allowance, and they can just directly capture their fingerprints and match the fingerprint.
Yes.
And then we receive the allowance. Yes, so this really save more time for government agency official to send out many allowance to poor people. Okay, are you clear about this application?
Yeah, yes, we because our computer has some problems. So
Yeah.
if you need these pictures or this, our customers already developed the app. Here you can see that like Summer already described this this project we
It's
have
all
done
this-
for the African countries. You can see the government is to send the alliance to people, and here is app. Our customers already developed this app for this management.
Yes, you can see here is a payment application developed by our other client. Developed by our other client. You can see here this. You can see the screen. Here's the main page of this application, and here's is a picture part, and
Fingerprint.
and here is ID name, and there is and this is about his balance of his bank account. And
Yes.
if he wants to pay for something, you can just you can just press his fingerprint here account. And
Yes.
if he wants to pay for something, you can just you can just press his fingerprint here, and let the application to verify his fingerprints. If it's okay, and you can finish payment, through this payment application. So it's a very good function. Very good function.
Yes, our customers use our SDK to develop this APK, and also you can use our SDK to this part for your solution and for your application.
Yes. Okay. Let's go on to the next application. Except that used by government agency, and also it can be used by our it's also can used by our company. Yeah, actually in every company they have their own HR HR systems, so they can use our SDK to integrate or develop their own time attendance systems. Okay, next case is about company time attendance application, and you can use our model FP08 to verify the fingerprint of the employees, and first let them fingerprint their to verify the fingerprint of the employees, and first let them fingerprint their fingerprint, and when they go to company for work, and they just place his fingerprint here, and then the model will check in or check out. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Here we show you one. The summer already described this case for the employees time attendance for check-in and check-out. You can see here is FP08. For this device already wall mounted on the wall. We can customize the wall mounted case. You can do this part mount the device on the wall.
Yes, it's actually you can customize it one case or a metal case. Yeah, a metal case just is a wall, and also you can customize kiosk stand. Yeah, just put this model in a case, and let's stand in front of the company. Yeah. Both are okay.
I see some newcomers. Welcome. And also, please subscribe our YouTube channel. You can get more information about our products and our company.
Yes, here you can type your questions or your requirements, or like a customization requirement for us. Okay, except the company cases, and the first case is about the company cases, and The first case is about the government's agency, for poor people in African country, and also we can use it in hospitals. Use in hospitals. So Jen, which application if we used this model in hospital?
Yes, this model already used for the hospital, like the government agency to send the alarms to the people. Also, this model can do the hospital management to send the alarms to the patient. Like when you enroll the fingerprints in the hospital's database, and when you go to when the patient go to the hospital, gets the fingerprint capture and the fingerprint matched, the hospital will send the allowance to your account. Like this is to do the fingerprint part, to do the verification. Then the patient can get the allowance. Our customers already used this device to do the healthcare hospital application and the solution. Also, you can do if you have this kind of case, you also can use this device to supply to your customers and do the application and the like the APK, like the software at your site. We will supply the SDK to you, and you do the integration and the development.
Yes, for hospital, it's very useful for them. To to use in insurance or healthcare project, and you can also let people to register your fingerprint, and then when the next time go to hospital to see doctor, and they just capture his fingerprint and then match the fingerprint. It's very useful.
Yes, this device also can use for the bank verification.
Yes.
When the users go to the bank to do the card registration, when you need to bank card, you need to in the bank's database and capture the fingerprint and verify the fingerprint. Capture the fingerprint and verify the fingerprint. The bank recognized. Then they will issue the bank card to the users. Also, when you do the transfer the payment when a big amount, the bank needed to do the verification with your fingerprint, with your national card. Then we'll do the transfer and then do the payment. You send it to the others for this step. This is to make sure that the user is the user, and to make the safety transfer and the safety safety to safety the people's money, like the safety ID like that.
Yes, actually, fingerprints is higher security in the society, and if you used in bank for bank card business.
Yes.
Or other like hospital, healthcare, or insurance projects, and you can use our model to register the fingerprints of people, and then just capture their fingerprints and then verify their fingerprint. That's basically all of this function of this model.
Yes. Also, if you need the application pictures, you can contact our company, or the sales you contacted can send some applications pictures we already done for our customers for your reference. And also this device is 80 inches.
Yes.
And the fingerprint sensor and the card part. Fingerprint is ISO standard, ISO 19794-2 or -4, NSI standard 3378 or 381. You can do the integration with your national fingerprint database for this device. It is international standard, so no worry about the integration. We will supply SDK you can do that part.
Yes.
And also, you can see the camera. The front camera is 2 mega, and the back side camera is 13 megas. It is very good for you for the face recognition if you need to do that part for your application.
Yes.
And also, this model is very rugged. You can use this model for the construction site or the outside parts as your requirements, as your application you can use. And also, this is the portable one. You can how to say you can
handheld. Yeah, you can handheld it, or you can put
Very
it on
easy.
the wall, or customize one kiosk stand. Yeah, just to put place it in front of your company or hospital.
Yes, this device can use for many applications as your requirements. So use this device. Also, if you don't want to direct the software, we also can supply the software for you. And if you need more information about cloud software, we will send you more information and the video you can check for the details. And also supply the SDK. You can do the integration and the development for your application and for your solutions. And also, if you have any query about this device, you can tell us or leave message here. We can reply you.
Yes, if you want to distract our models, yeah, if you do not have development team, we will also supply our web software for you. If you order in large quantity, yeah, we will provide free web software. And if you have your own development team, you can use our SDK to develop your own application like HR or a payment application, yeah, widely applied in hospital, bank, and restaurant and malls and so many places. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that is almost about these cases, successful cases about this model. If you have other other potential projects, you can contact us to send your advice. Yeah, to send your advice to win this project.
Yes.
And also we will be available to assist you. In about your project.
Yes, today's live show time is here. If you need more information about this device, you can contact us directly to get more information. Also, our company. And dears, please subscribe our YouTube channel. You can get more information of our company and our products. Very important. Please subscribe.
Yeah. 3 times. yeah. Actually, today's live show is so much about these models, hardware, software, and the successful cases. Okay, it's almost over. And after last, if you have if you have any interest or want to learn more information about our fingerprint model or other products, you can just scan our barcode of our company or subscribe our YouTube account to watch our live show every week from Tuesday to Friday at China time, 9:13 a.m. to 15 p.m. Okay, please note your watch and set the watch time. Okay, timely to watch our live show from 9:13 a.m. to 15 p.m.
And also tomorrow morning we also have another live show for the fingerprint scanner part. You can get more information for our fingerprint scanner. And please subscribe our YouTube channel and pay more attention our live show tomorrow morning. Our colleague Kelly and Emily will show you more information about fingerprint scanner.
Yes, please attention. We at Fingerprint Security, a China's 16 years biometric manufacturer, and we do not only focus on face recognition, we also focus on fingerprint recognition, time attendance, or access control systems. So need more information, just contact us as soon as possible. Okay, you can also leave your contacts on YouTube. Our colleagues will directly contact you soon.
Yeah.
Okay, and for our tomorrow morning live show, do not miss out. Just set what time and timely watch our live show. Okay, Jen, today's live show is so much for this. Okay, see you next show. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See
Thank
you.
you.
Thanks
Bye
for your
bye.
time.
Bye bye.